everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily find and disable various system or program related options present in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as WinTune. On the first list you will see the developer website, just click on it. On the right side you will see here releases, just click on it and just scroll down below, and now you will see here wintune.exe and wintune32.exe. You can download either any one of this. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run the software installer. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So on the left side you will see a tons of different options. So under the system you will see here tons of options to disable the various system options here. As you can see here, different system options. Next to it is a privacy. So under the privacy options you will see here tons of privacy options to disable. Under the explorer also you will get a tons of options. Under the start menu also you will get a tons of options, and even there is a optional and below some additional tools here which you can check out by yourself. So say let us click on the system. So say if you want to disable the error reporting, then you can just enable it from here itself. Then the error reporting will be disabled, and you can disable the lock screen also from here if you want to disable the lock screen. And there are more options, whichever you want. You can just use these applications and you can disable the various system or program related options inside the single application. So using this application named as WinTune, you can easily find and disable various system or program related options present in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.